Encasement's Vecta building linings range includes high-quality wall linings and lift lobby linings, as well as soffits, bulkheads and reveals, to provide a fully integrated interior finishing system that is not only practical and stylish, but also highly versatile. Designed for use on a diverse range of interior design and finishing applications, Vecta offers an extensive choice of finishes, colours and materials, which include natural, brushed, anodized or PPC-coated aluminium, together with compact laminates, stainless steel and textured options, including Rimex. Usually specified for interior applications, some Vecta metal solutions, such as soffit linings and bulkheads, are also designed for use on external projects, as they are inherently weather-resistant. Also, as they can incorporate PPC finishes in a whole range of BS and RAL colours, this can help add interest to a building's exterior.